I think you did hit on it. You do have to compartmentalize, and it doesn't mean that I don't have a personal opinion about whatever situation is in front of me, because I'm human, of course I do. But what I have to do is extract what I am legally bound to be doing, which, depending on the kind of case it is, if it's a criminal case, then I have to look at what the evidence shows of what that individual did, not necessarily who that individual is. Though I do take that into account depending on the circumstance in trying to fashion a sentence that is going to hit the root of the problem as well as protect the community and the victim. But you really just have to step back and say, okay, here's the evidence that's presented, and then what is my duty in this particular case? So like in custody cases, it's what's in the best interest of the child. And I've told parents more often than not, I'm like, my duty is not to you. My duty is not to make either one of you happy. My duty is to make sure that I've got the best interest of this child, and I make decisions that are in their best interest. And neither one of you may leave here happy, or you both may leave here happy. That's not my job. My job is to make sure that that child is protected. And I get a lot of nods when I tell parents that, because they're like, oh, okay. And it kind of refocuses them to why they're in court. Because a lot of, as you can imagine, parents forget about the kids when they're in court.